Hi, in this video we will learn more about the most fundamental building block for every app, the text widget. Text is one of the most important things for every app. You're probably going to use text in every single one of your apps, so you should know what you can do with it. Text widget is a very simple widget. You can't do much with it alone. It can have a child that has only several attributes. Standalone text widget is pretty blank and not interesting. But with just few extra style, layout or interaction widgets, text can become very alive. Of course, every widget is optional. Your text can be simple black text on a white canvas, or it can be much more. Let's start with a simple example of how to use text widget. This is probably the most basic use for the most basic widget. Text widget is inside the body of the scaffold widget. Layout starts from the top left corner, which is like a starting point for the UI. Let's move the widget to the center of the screen. Now we have two widgets in the body of a widget. This is called widget tree, and these can go really crazy. Our center widget has a child attribute, and inside that attribute we have our text widget, which gets placed in the center. We can see that our text is quite dull. Let's give him some style. Text widget has an attribute called style. You can use pre-made styles or make your own. Let's try creating our own style. Let's change the font weight and font size. How about some color? There are two ways to give color for a widget. You can either give him a predefined colors or choose your own. First, we will use predefined colors. And now we have a bigger, bolder, teal colored text. But this text is not fancy at all, and if you want to have fancy text, we have to use rich text widget. Simply put, rich text lets you divide your text into multiple text pans, and then you can stylize them individually. Let's change our code a bit. First, we will need to change the child for the center widget, and now we have to divide our text to different text pans, and of course give each span a text style. Now you can see that our text is divided and has multiple styles. So now we saw how to move and stylize our text widget. But what if we want to have more text, different density of text, maybe let's say an article in our app? We will need help from other widgets. And you will see quite a lot of new faces, but don't worry, we will talk more about them in upcoming videos. Let's just see how we can make an article in our app. Column and container widgets give us more control over position of our text. For the heading, we are going to use rich text to divide it and give some character to the title. For body text, we're just going to use simple text widget and give it some more properties like letter spacing and word spacing. Also, we are going to change the font family. How to change it I will show you in another video. You can see how easily we can put our text in a structured order and give it some style at the same time. So which widgets did we use today? These are only the main widgets and you can learn much more about them. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment. Also, if you like this video, leave a like and maybe subscribe for more tutorials about Flutter. For now, I hope that you learned something from this video and you can use text widget more easily and creatively. Happy coding! See you next time!